Hey, welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're tackling the simple yet powerful idea of coordinate geometry.
Think about a map or even your phone's GPS. It all boils down to this one question.
So it's basically a system that links algebra with geometry, letting us describe shapes using numbers. Okay, so let's build this map. All we need to start are two simple number lines.
And when those two lines cross, they create this two-dimensional surface we call the Cartesian plane. All right, here's our map. The horizontal line is the x-axis, the vertical is the y-axis.
Okay, so every single spot on this plane needs its own unique address. We use an ordered pair. And the order is crucial. 2, 3 is a completely different spot from 3, 2.
So the address is always written as x, y. The x value tells you how far to go left or right.
And that y value, that just tells you how far to go up or down. Easy as that.
These axes split the plane into 4 zones, or quadrants, each with its own rule for positive and negative numbers. Plotting a point is just a simple 2-step move. You walk the x highway, then take the y elevator.
And boom, here's how we find point A at 4, 2. 4 units right, 2 units up.
So the cool part is, we can describe an entire line, not just one point, with a single equation.
All right, let's see how this works. We'll use the equation y equals 3x minus 4.
First, we find a few coordinate addresses on our line by just plugging in some values for x. Then, after plotting these points from our table, we just connect them to reveal the whole line.
But what makes lines different from each other? Well, it's 2 key things: slope and intercept.
Slope, what we call m, just tells us how tilted a line is. Is it a gentle hill or a steep mountain?
And what's really cool here is how you can see the difference. A different angle means different steepness. The y-intercept, that's just the point where our line crosses that main vertical road, the y-axis.
This single formula is incredibly powerful. It gives us the line's steepness, m, and its starting point, c.
And really, this is just the beginning. From here, we can define circles, parabolas, even video game graphics.